What is up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap your locks, wrap your natural hair. It really doesn't matter, just how to wrap it up in a nice headscarf. I have two different styles for you today. The first option is going to be more of a traditional African style, and then the second is going to be more of like a turban style. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start by putting my hair up into a bun as neat as I can get it. Okay, so for this second style, you are going to put your hair back in kind of like a lower type of bun, kind of like sitting back here, okay? So that is it for this video. I hope that it helped you guys out. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.